Hello! Energy up! Woo! Hello, beauties! Welcome back to the channel. Oh my god, thank you so much for coming back. This is the third video. Whoa! Please subscribe. If you're here, can you please subscribe? Hey, look at you. Hey, you sitting there watching this video in your underwear. Can you please subscribe? Just come on, just real quick. I just need it. Like, I need to grow real quick, you know. And if you could like, that would be great. Anyway, okay, so I got a new camera. I got a new light. I got a ring light. I'm the most cliche little white girl in the world. Ooh, girl. Got this little ring light. Got this little webcam. Does this crazy autofocus. It goes buck wild. We're gonna try not to pay too much attention because it's a little bit buck. It gets a little bit buck. All right, we got a singer in the background going crazy too. Woo-hoo. All right, we're just gonna do this nice and quick today. Hi. We're gonna feature my favorite product. This is my holy grail product. It was just hilarious. It's a really funny holy grail product. It's the Super Dewy Revolution liquid blush. Had it upside down. That's upside right. Exactly. That's exactly what I meant to say. This product is the best product I've ever fucking used. I wrote down. I literally wrote down, don't curse. Don't say the F word. 30 seconds in. Okay. Oh, God. Nice. Caught it, girl. Don't worry. I got some frizz going on with my little hair, so we're just going to take care of that real quick. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is the JVN Air Dry Cream. It's just the best product ever. It's just the best hair product. It's the first, like, real kind of, like, fancy hair product I got. And it's just the best one. It's still the best one. I love all the JVN products, but the Air Dry Cream is just phenomenal. So let's see how it works. You know, you could see I had some frizzies. You know. Okay, things seem to be opposite in this camera. So we use just a little bit of Air Dry Cream. It's a great product. It's not very expensive. Yay. Wow, that song is great, huh? Love it. That's me singing, by the way. Love you. Okay, so we'll just see how this does for the air dry cream. Just fun. Hi. Yeah, okay, try not to look at the psychotic autofocus. It's just, you get what you get. You know, it's that era, you know. Anyway, okay, so we just did a little hair. Hi, beautiful Saturday. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. We're just chilling. We're just going to do a short little video. We're aiming for about 8 minutes today. Usually I shoot about like 10 minutes over, so we'll see how long that goes. But okay, all right. So I got nothing on my face right now, nothing. So we're just gonna start out with a little bit of skincare, and then I'm just gonna show you this one product. This is the one product. This is Dude Makeup Day. Not makeup, let's not call it makeup. This is just, if you look like a deathly white ghost, and you just look kind of like scary, and you know you just want to add some like life to your face, this is the fucking product. It just gives you life, girl. It gives you life. So, and it's easy. It's one product. We're gonna only use our fingies. No product, no sponge, no brush, no nothing. I'm gonna use this Glow Recipe Essence Toner. Bing bang boom. I do 2 pumpies. Do I do 2 pumpies? No, we do 3 pumpies. So I just slather this on my face. This is so watery. It's nice. Basic. Simple. I like makeup products and cosmetic products that don't do anything. That's the test for me here at Dave Beauty by Dave. And so I just really like toners. I like toners to start. It's just fun. And again, it's just kind of like they don't do anything. This is great. And then I do like to use, I like this product. It scares me. Scared of it. This L'Oreal Bright Reveal, the 12% niacinamide aminosulfonic and ferulic acid. It's a super heavy product. One time I used like a lot of it, and then like I just felt like my face just like really did not like it and was really itchy. So I'm scared of it, and I just like put a dollop on one side, dollop on the other. I do not drop or do anything. I just like press the teeniest little dollop on my face. Oh, bitch. Alright, good for you. Alright, buddy. Alright, so then we got these two little dots, and then I just kind of like spread it everywhere. I got these little spots like right on my lip. Alright, below my lip, so I just like to kind of put it there. But, you know, I don't know what the point of this bright reveal thing is, but it's just a heavy duty ass serum, and I just kind of like to put it. It's supposed to do something for redness. Great, okay. Long time ago, I used some Sephora points, because I'm a bitch like that, and to get me some fucking Caudalie, the Premier Cru, La Creme, just whatever their moisturizer is. We're way behind on this video, dog, as you could say, as you could tell. It's okay. It's okay, sweetie. Alright, so I just dollop on a little bit of moisturizer, put a little bit on the forehead, and we're just gonna go moisturize. It's got a really strong kind of rose motherfucking smell. Like, this is some girl ass shit, dog. Like, if you're looking for some girl ass shit, you know, go for this Caudalie shit. If you're not, then don't fucking get the Caudalie. You know, it's like Charlotte Tilbury. It's the same exact rose smell as Charlotte Tilbury. I would say this Caudalie kind of even has a stronger rose smell, but it's a super thin, super lightweight moisturizer, which I really like. Like the Magic Cream from Charlotte Tilbury, which I would compare this to, is extremely thick. This is not thick. I mean, my face looks baller, dog. I use so much complexion product or like moisturizing, glowing skincare product, like an unbelievable amount. And I think my skin is just starting to really just like become glowy AF, dog. I think I just said that for like 17 times again. I don't know. I can't really keep track, girl. I do my best. We out here training. We out here doing our best on a beautiful Saturday. Oh my God, we're in Oregon, beautiful Oregon. So I'm rocking my flannel. I was like, I'm gonna rock my flannel today, in essence of Oregon. Ooh, girl, we got a microphone. Say hello to the microphone. I got a brand new microphone. Let's show it. Hi, microphone. Hi, microphone. So we got the new microphone, we got the new camera. That's all I want to talk about, babe. Okay. Super Dewy. Okay, this is from Makeup Revolution. This is hilarious, okay? Like, I'm a bougie ass bitch. Bougie ass bench. I really just like I used to go to the drugstore. I used to go to Ulta. Used to be cool, just trying things, and now I fucking go to Sephora. I just go to Sephora, and I just go to Sephora. I'm like, oh, is it only $35? Really? Oh, that's it? Okay, great. I'll take 3 of them. Great. Yeah, it's not great, but it's okay. It's okay. I also don't buy that much stuff anymore. I'm really finding what I like. Anyway, which kind of is the point of this video for me, selfishly, is I'm actually looking for a reverse dupe. My favorite product of all time is from Makeup Revolution, which is great. That's fun. That's cool. But I'm afraid that they're never going to have this product again. I bought like 2 of them because I was afraid that I would never see it again. And so I'm going to at some point need a better one. And I would rather probably find like a high-end version. So please comment if you watch this video and you know what I'm talking about here and you know of a high-end version that's very similar to what we're going to do here, then please tell me what you think. Tell me what you want like below, because it's like the Rare blush, that shit ain't working. The Elf, no. The Glossier, the Cloud Paint, all that stuff, that's not the same thing. This is a very different product. It's so funny. Like, I know anything. It's hilarious. Okay, so about this product. Super Dewy Makeup Revolution. I just found this one day because I was trying blushes, and here we go. It's called the Super Dewy Liquid Blush. I mean, apply to the apples of the cheeks and softly down the bridge of the nose to achieve a natural, sun-kissed look. Normally, that shit that they say is bullshit. This is not bullshit, baby. That's exactly what it does. Buildable gel cream pigment that dabs into the skin to create a healthy, radiant flush of color. That is exactly what this product does. Whatever you may think of Makeup Revolution, these people are not lying on this product. Not that they're always, not that they lie, not that they do or don't lie. All I have to say is this is not sponsored, baby. Not sponsored at all. Buildable. Wow. Great. Made in China. So there's that. Revolution Beauty. Something about Ireland. From Dublin. Something about Northbrook, Illinois. Yeah. It's a bunch of ingredients. Wow. Cool. Okay. So this is the tube. Here. So what we're going to do. Let's see here. What are we going to do? What are we going to tell these people? What are we going to tell these people we're going to do? Maybe we should just do it. We're just going to do it. Okay. It's a tube. It's a really nice tube. I've used a lot of it. So I've started to fold mine down at the bottom. Like a nice little paint can. Okay, and then I'm just going to dab some dots on my face in a row. This camera is different than I'm used to. So this is not really... Oh, thank you. Oh, please come back. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is fucked up on the camera. Yeah, whisper. Okay. Can you see this, folks? Man, that light is like psychotic, dog. I can change it. Oh, that's in... Oh, ooh. We're going to do this, though. We're going to go bing, 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 and ooh, 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 and bing. Okay. Wow, light changes. Can't quite see that very well, but I put 4 dots there. Okay. Good job, Dave. Yay. Yay for Dave. Ooh. This is not exactly how I expected it to be on the camera. On the runway. Wow, you're 12 minutes in, boss. I told you were going to be 10 minutes over. I did say that at the beginning. Okay, this camera is really difficult, but we're going to do it. Okay. I know how to do this, folks. I really do. It's just the camera's kind of weird. All right, there's a good place to put a dot. I'm going to go right there. And right there. All right. So, anyway. It doesn't fucking matter where you put the dots, boss. So you just kind of want to put an even amount on both sides. And it's great, dog. This is going to be fun. Oh, you're getting dogs out. Woo! 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 Okay. You can't quite see the lights a little bit. Blinding. Okay. All right, then we're just going to start tappy tappy. Just tappy tappy. We're just going to tappy tappy. We're going to go under the eye. Okay. And we're just going to go like all around the little cheeky cheekies. Okay. Up on the forehead. We're going to start to dot all over the face. Okay. And then we're going to start patting. We're going to start patting. Okay, this is dope. Dope. All right, there's my fingers. There's no pigment. There's no nothing. There's no like residue. Piggies. Oh, come on, bud. Look at that. It's just fingers. Nothing. Okay, what are we seeing here, folks? Boo. It's very, very dewy. Dewy. So,